Welcome to the CarsNew channel. This time we will discuss the 2026 BMW X7 Revealed. BMW has officially unveiled the 2026 BMW X7, setting a new standard in the full-size luxury SUV segment. With a commanding presence, cutting-edge technology, and enhanced performance, the new X7 is designed to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Striking design with a bold presence, the 2026 BMW X7 debuts with a refreshed design that emphasizes both luxury and sportiness. The front fascia features a larger, illuminated kidney grille, flanked by sleek, adaptive LED headlights. Redesigned air intakes and sculpted body lines add to the SUV's imposing stance, while new alloy wheel options further enhance its sophisticated appeal. State-of-the-art interior with advanced tech inside, the X7 offers a perfect blend of opulence and innovation. A massive curved display integrates a 14.9-inch infotainment screen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, powered by the latest iDrive system. The SUV is equipped with an AI-powered voice assistant, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system for an immersive audio experience. Passengers will enjoy ultra-luxurious materials, including premium leather, real wood trims, and customizable ambient lighting. The available executive rear seating package provides first-class comfort with reclining seats, individual touchscreens, and enhanced climate control settings. Electrified powertrain and enhanced performance. The 2026 BMW X7 offers multiple powertrain options, including a new plug-in hybrid variant that delivers impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. The top-tier M60i xDrive model boasts a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing exhilarating performance and smooth handling. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension ensure a comfortable yet dynamic driving experience. Advanced safety and autonomous driving features. BMW continues to prioritize safety with an updated suite of driver assistance features. The X7 includes Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. New collision avoidance technology further enhances on-road confidence, making every journey safer and more enjoyable. Conclusion: the pinnacle of luxury SUVs, the 2026 BMW X7 redefines what a luxury SUV should be, combining breathtaking design, state-of-the-art technology, and powerful performance. Whether cruising in the city or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the new X7 stands out as a symbol of sophistication and innovation. BMW has once again raised the bar, ensuring that the X7 remains a top contender in the luxury SUV market.